Hello, 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 hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? It is audible? Yes. Now this is also demo class. So don't write it anything. Just observe it what is going on. Yesterday, anybody not attending means don't worry. What I am telling yesterday, Oracle is a database software. What is the purpose of these database software means to store data permanently in secondary storage devices. Suppose if we want to operate this Oracle database, then we are using SQL is a non-procedure language is there. Extension of the SQL PL SQL procedural language extension for SQL is there. That is also we are using under dynamic SQL languages. Up to this one, yesterday we are discussing only. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Now actually you are learning a course. For example, Oracle you are learning. What type of software engineers using what these Oracle concepts? Otherwise, what type of jobs are available in a Oracle? That is better to know. 10 minutes concentrate, everyone understandable. Now check it out, concentrate, because before we are going to start our course means better to know any technical programmers are there in our class. Yes, this course is helpful or not, checking is better. Okay, yeah, better to know these things. So maybe so many fellows are having idea this one. Hello, 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 hello. It is audible now. Hello, 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 hello. Yes. And now check it out. Concentrate here. According to my experience, I'm telling fastly what type of jobs are available in our Oracle means observe it here. Then we are starting our courses slowly. Actually, anybody, okay, present situation side, anybody passed out in a 2022 or 2023, these type of students, okay, maybe 1 year back or present situation, okay, in a 2023 also so many fellows are passed out. Those persons are interested to learn about some front-end courses because more opportunities are there. That's why maybe some fellows are learning a course Python. Some fellows are interested to learn a course Java. Some fellows are interested to learn about PHP. Some fellows are interested to learn a .NET courses. Maybe front end, their own wish. First time newcomer, okay. These persons are most of the time in a company side. What is the purpose of these courses? To learn what Python, Java, PHP, .NET means. One of the uses means for developing what web-based applications. Web-based applications. Otherwise websites, for example. Okay. In this web-based application, programmer must familiar in a database. Must mandatory. Suppose here you are a Java programmer, maybe any technical programmers are there in our class. Yes, those Java programmers uses JDBC concepts, for example, in their project side. In that JDBC, compulsory database is required, either Oracle, either SQL Server, either MySQL, anything. Okay, fine. Observe here. That's why these front-end application programmer must familiar one database. That's why most of the programmer Java, Python, PHP, except .NET. .NET means SQL Server they are using. And now here those Python, Java, PHP, these type of programmers are interested to learn what? Oracle. Oracle, all the concepts not required. Only minimum basics enough. Maybe in a Oracle SQL side, select statement, joins, constraints, subqueries. In a PLSQL side, stored procedures, they have an idea enough. Because Java programmers stored procedure in parameter, out parameter, they are using only. Okay, yeah. .NET programmer, ADO.NET side, they are using a database concept. That's why who are good at what? Front-end application programmers also. Minimum knowledge is required at what? In a database, but Oracle, they are preferring only so many learners. That's why now here these type of persons are minimum basic they are interested to learn only. That's why they are joining a course as Oracle. Again, another type of programmers learning what Oracle means, which type of person means, suppose some persons are not interested to get a job in a where, in a Java, in a PHP, because those are codings. They're not interested in a where coding. For example, so many different type of persons are there in a worldwide, but they want software job. They're not interested in a more coding only. But unfortunately, so now those persons having a what, 2 years, 2+ years, otherwise 3+ years gap is there. For example, after pass out 2021, okay, 2020, like that, maybe 3 years or 2 years gap is there. Those persons applying a what, a job as a what, a PLSQL developer. PLSQL developer is a jobs are there. PLSQL developer jobs are there. You have to check it out in a Google. PLSQL developer jobs who are having a what, at least minimum basic knowledge in a where PLSQL. Those persons they are applying a what, PLSQL developer jobs. But these persons are not required to learn these front-end courses. Not required. But gap is required over 2 years or 3 years like that. Those PLSQL developer jobs purpose they are learning a what, a basic SQL language, because PLSQL Oracle side SQL is there, no? Basic SQL plus strong PLSQL knowledge is required. PLSQL, a little bit of Unix also, not a problem. PLSQL knowledge is required. Those persons also interested to learn what Oracle. Again, who are applying a PLSQL developer jobs, different type of jobs are there. Again, not only that one, yes, suppose here, okay, so now some persons are not interested in PLSQL also. Little bit of coding is there, but they doesn't want that PLSQL coding also, they doesn't want. Very easiest jobs they want. In that case, data warehousing technologies are there. OLAP applications are there. In that one, ETL programmers are there. Anybody have an idea? Some fellows are ETL programmers. They're applying a jobs. Extraction, transformation, loading, ETL programmers are there. ETL developers. These developers must familiar, basic SQL is enough. PLSQL knowledge is not required. That's why basic SQL enough only, SQL language enough. These persons are learning about Oracle or SQL Server, MySQL, anything. Plus, in ETL tools they are learning only. GUI tools are there. ETL tools. Maybe 1 year gap is there. Then those persons are trying only in these type of jobs. But what are the ETL tools are available? Anybody have an idea in a worldwide market? Most popular tool, very good. Suppose your colleagues or your relatives are working in a where Informatica is a popular tool, ETL tool. There's a GA tool only. Again, another popular tool, olden days Informatica, nowadays here Talent is a tool is there, no? Yeah. Fresher level they are selecting also, they are providing a training in a where Talent tool like this. That's why always ETL developers are interested to learn what ETL tools and basic SQL knowledge is required. And also in olden days, data stage is a tool is there. Nowadays, less jobs are there in a data stage. Now here, that's why without in a knowledge of the where anything, these tools they are learning also, they are applying what jobs as a ETL developers. In that case also, minimum basic SQL is knowledge is required. That's why they are learning like that. Again, not only that one. Yes, another type of persons are there, that is reporting programmers. Okay, reporting programmer, data analysts actually, report programmers. Those persons are same like a previous case. Data warehouse inside actually minimum basic SQL is enough. Basic SQL knowledge is enough. PLSQL not required. Plus here reporting tools they are learning. Reporting tools. Some fellows are applying a jobs as a what, a report programmer, applying a data warehousing side. Reporting tools are there. Maybe any reporting tools nowadays, you have an idea? Very good. TabView is a popular tool. TabView tool. So now here otherwise quick view tool. Those GUI tools anywhere outside they are learning only. Quick view tool. TabView, quick view tool. And now here observe here. And now here again olden days BOs very good. One fellow is telling business objects are there in the olden days. A BOs is a tool is there. Those type of tools, GUI tools anywhere you are learning only. Then a basic minimum basic is there then possible. But unfortunately, one fellow telling only Murali sir, Power BI is there. Why you are not telling Power BI? Yes, Power BI. Why I am not telling means Power BI is a popular reporting tool. I am agree. Popular compared to TabView, compared to QuickView, also popular tool only. But I am not preferring a what Oracle course for those persons. Why? Because those persons are preferring a what SQL server. Suppose you are interested in a latest. So now your reporting tool you want means easily getting a job. I'm agree. Power BI tool. But Power BI is a reporting tool. I'm agree. Plus not a Oracle SQL. Actually, better to learn a what SQL server SQL. Yesterday, anybody attending a demo class means Oracle, SQL server, MySQL. These databases are there from different companies. I'm telling you, no. Yes, so better to learn a what, not a Oracle. SQL server SQL. We are learning. That is better because those persons are preferring a what SQL server, Microsoft product that one. That's why who are interested to learn about Power BI, better to learn about SQL Server compared to Oracle. Okay, na? Yeah, Microsoft product is better. Next, observe it here. Again, another type of persons. Suppose here anybody other than BTech, MCA, MSc computers, some fellows are pharmacy students are there, M Pharmacy, B Pharmacy, those persons are interested to learn what a SAS, not a SAP, SAP. Yeah, SAS is there. Okay, these are pharmacy students' purpose. Those persons are applying a what Oracle clinical jobs. Oracle clinical jobs are there in their field side. Those persons also learning about courses. Which one? SQL, basic SQL is required, and also basic PLSQL enough, not advanced PLSQL. Basic knowledge is enough. Basic PLSQL. These persons are also interested to learn what SQL, Oracle. Again, another type of persons are there. What is that one means? Oracle apps, SAP ERP is there, no? Same like difficult ERP is there, I'm agree. Oracle apps are there. Oracle apps. Oracle apps 11i, not 11G, 11i is there. This is a ERP is there. Maybe anybody have an idea? Anybody, your colleagues or your relatives are working in a way this technology. This is difficult really, ERP this one. Now here same like SAP ERP, Oracle apps 11i is a ERP, popular ERP, but that is very difficult. Why? Because not only SQL, not only strong PLSQL, D2K developer 2000, anybody have an idea? Forms and reports are there. Olden days programmers maybe have an idea. Those persons only work as a what ERP programmer in a Oracle apps. That is difficult. That's why these persons are SQL knowledge is required. Plus, what is the problem is strong PLSQL knowledge is required, not a light. Okay, strong PLSQL knowledge is required. So those persons only learning a course Oracle apps ERP. So now here they are interested to settle in a ERP side. Again, another type of ERP is there. SAP ERP is there. SAP HANA is there. HANA. SAP HABAP is there. No, same like HANA is there. Those persons, SAP HANA, that is a ERP is there. Those persons are also interested to learn about basic SQL. PLSQL is not required. If use joins, these type of concepts they are using. That's why those persons also try to interested to learn this course. Again, not only that one, so many different type of persons are there. Actually, maybe anybody having idea? Data analysts. Data analysts are there in our company side. Those data analysts always, yes, strong SQL knowledge is required. PLSQL knowledge is not required. SQL knowledge is required. Those persons also interested to learn what this course. Again, not only that one, maybe so many fellows are nowadays latest programmer full stack. Maybe Java full stack, .NET full stack. So now here, yes, Python full stack developers are there because companies are recruiting like that. Those persons maybe who are passed out recently, those persons only full stack developers are there. Enough full stack developer. Those persons compulsory database is required. That's why Java full stack developers means Oracle they're preferring. Actually, sorry, okay, so now here. Python full stack developers, Java full stack developers, PHP developers only preferring what Oracle is a backend. But the .NET full stack developers better to learn what SQL server. Don't prefer what Oracle. That is better. Okay, yeah. This is the way now full stack developers. Not only that one, in a worldwide, another type of easy jobs are there. Maybe so many fellows having idea. Testing tools, you have an idea? Yes, here testing tools. Some fellows are not interested to work in a coding. Suppose after marriage or otherwise, so much of gap is there. 5 years, 6 years, 4 years, 3 years gap is there. But the so many fellows are the want easy job. Maybe non-technical persons are there. Those persons best way. I am telling you what I am preferring a best way testing tools. Maybe some fellows having idea. I think. These persons are, yes, testing tools means always here manual testing is there, manual testing is there, and automation is there. Manual commonly they are telling only, and automation side maybe olden days QTP is there, but nowadays Selenium they are telling only. Selenium testing they are telling only, but so many companies are using what manual testing. That's why these persons are coding doesn't know also not about. These persons also minimum basic knowledge is required in a Oracle. Basic, advanced not required. Minimum basic, what is going on at least database side. Minimum basic SQL knowledge is required. That's why some fellows are testing tool programmers also interested to learn what a database. Not only that one, yes, here there are so many different types of jobs are there. A big data. Suppose Hadoop, big data programmers are there. No? So many fellows are interested to work in a different technology like this only big data. In that one Hadoop. In those programmers also minimum basic SQL is enough. Advanced PLSQL, advanced SQL not required. Basic SQL knowledge is enough. Those persons also interested to learn what? Yes, here. Okay, basic SQL. But not only that one. Actually, worldwide highest paid jobs are there. Maybe 2 years, 3 years gap is there. Experience is required worldwide. What is that software jobs means data science? Maybe anybody have an idea? Data science is there. But these data science programmers must familiar database in a database, either Oracle, either SQL Server, either MySQL, they're learning only. Because those persons are very good knowledge is required in a front end, a JavaScript, again in a front end language and a database, and also algorithms, they're good at mathematics, then only possible. That's why highest paid jobs only because mathematical algorithm is required. Now here those data science programmer in a worldwide interested to learn what in a database, but so many fellows are interested to learn what Oracle. That's why observe it here, a Selenium is also olden days concept. Okay, yeah, not a problem. Now here observe here. Now check it out. That's why different types of so many jobs are there. In those all jobs you are observing are not basic SQL most of the time. Compared to PLSQL, okay, SQL they are preferring only. But unfortunately, in our classes here, I am a basically PLSQL developer. That's why I am telling about a very strong knowledge in a PLSQL because anybody applying about struggling at jobs in a okay, 2 years, 3 years gap is there. They are not interested in front end. PLSQL very depth. the knowledge I'm giving, but the interviewer asking a fundamental, not a problem. Now based on that one, so many fellows are well settled. That's why I'm giving a 2010 year onwards. I'm in teaching field only. SQL more knowledge I'm giving. That's why my notes is available. Through that notes also, so many fellows are getting a good knowledge. Their own way they are preparing, not a problem. That much of easy way I will tell you. Now here, then they're easily getting a job. Utilize that knowledge. Okay, yeah. Now here, that's why according to my experience, these type of persons are interested to learn about Oracle. Okay, yeah. Now here, up to some stage, your own way also you are learning, not a problem. Why? Because basic SQL means your own way also you are learning, but advanced or anything means better to learn through some lecturers. Okay, yeah, because they are giving a tricks. This is the way, easy way you are learning. They are giving the guidance. Okay, yeah. Okay, na. And now slowly we are starting our course only. Now check it out. Okay, this is also demo, just don't write it anything. Now observe it here. Actually, some terminology knowledge is required. What is a database? Actually, Oracle is a database software. They are telling only, okay, fine. What is a database? Yes, database is nothing but it is a place where we can store structured collection of data. Yesterday, anybody attending me is, I'm telling only, it is a place. Observe here, definition is important. Database means a database is a place where we can store structured collection of data. Okay, fine. In a computerized system side. I know, you know, everyone knows this is a structured collection of data, organized fashion only data is storing. But unfortunately, this database is a what? Two types of structures are there in everywhere in the worldwide. In a database, you are installing in your system either SQL Server, either MySQL, either DB2 or anything also. Two types of databases structures are there. Suppose in a future you are also installing a Oracle, two types of structures are there. One is logical structure, another one is physical structure. Observe here. Every database having two types of structures in outside. Okay, one is a logical structure, another one is physical structure. Anybody in our class, in a technical programmers are there, maybe half of the persons are there, I think, in a Java, in a .NET, in a MySQL. Okay, little bit of knowledge is there. Those persons are interested to tell what a difference between logical structure and physical structure. Tell me, anybody having idea? What is the difference between logical and physical structure? Anybody guess it? What is the difference between a logical and a physical structure? Every database having a two types of structures. Okay. What is the database definition means? It is a place where we can store structured collection of data. Yesterday I'm telling only because Oracle is a database software. Okay. Yeah. Now, what is the logical? What is the physical? Otherwise, you are a Java programmer. I am a .NET programmer. Okay, so now you are a basic software programmer. You are not an administrator. You are working in a which structure? Very good, a logical structure. But what is that logical structure? Nothing is there. Very easy. Observe it here. Screen observe it. What is logical? What is physical? Compulsory you are learning. Every database programmer. Suppose I'm installing a Oracle software here. Don't write it. Just observe it here. What is these tools? These all the things tomorrow I will tell you. But first observe it here. 1 minute on. Suppose here I'm creating a table. Okay, table format only data is there. Don't worry. Just observe it here. Very interesting. Suppose this is a database software. Okay, software. What is database? Leave that one. What database software? I'm installing this software in a next class side. You are also installing. I'm creating a table. Create a table. Table name. Suppose my name is Murali. Okay, so now here Murali is a table I'm creating. And now here, whenever I'm creating a table format only data is there. In a future, you are also creating. Don't worry. This a table is created. Observe here. Just my name, create table. Murali is my name only. I'm creating a water table. Okay, yeah. Now within a database software, Oracle software I'm installing, same like a Java. In that one, Murali I'm creating. Oracle database I'm not telling. Oracle software I'm telling. Okay, yeah. Now slowly observe it here. Very interesting. Now this Murali table is created. No, yes. where this table is available. Now I want to interested to view that table is available in a where, in a C drive, D drive, where the operating system side, the table is there. I'm checking. Suppose in a C drive only, Oracle is I'm installing. Okay, fine. Where the Oracle is there, I know here, Oradata, ORCL. Here, Oracle folder is there. Don't worry. Okay, somewhere Oracle folder is there. In that Oracle folder, in a C drive only, now I try to check my table, that is my name Murali is available or not. I'm checking only. Yes. Now Murali is a table is visible or not visible. Anybody slowly observe it here. In these files are there, so many files are there. In this C drive only, Murali table is available or not available. At least Murali table is visible or not visible. Very good. Not visible. Very good. You are telling correct answer. Not visible. That's why a structure which is not visible in operating system. This is not a database, operating system. A structure which is not visible in operating system, OS, operating system is also called as logical structure of the database. That's why all are working in a way logical structure. Tables are not visible in a C drive, D drive like that. Views are not visible in a C drive, D drive like that. Yes, here synonyms are not visible in a C drive, D drive like that. In a procedures, in a functions, in a triggers, in a packages, in a database objects also not visible in a operating system, in a C drive, D drive like that. But those things are visible in a very database level, I'm agree. But operating system related side, they are giving a logical and physical structure in ANSI standards. Oracle also same. That's why a structure which is not visible in operating system, that is called what? A logical structure of the database. In a logical structure, tables are available, views are available, synonyms are there, syntax, okay, indexes are there, and sequences are there. So many things are there. That is later you are familiar in our class. Now check it out. Okay, na? So now here a structure which is not visible in operating system is called logical structure. Okay, na? Yeah. Now what is a physical structure? Means physical structure we are not working only, database administrator working. Yes, observe it here. What is physical structure means? Maybe you are also telling very easy opposite of the logical structure. No, that's why a structure which is visible in operating system, that is called a physical structure of the database. Suppose whenever I'm installing a software in a software, some physical files are created in a where disk you are observing or not, C drive, D drive like that. Not only Oracle software, suppose Excel sheets you are installing, MS Access you are installing. In a software installing also, yes, some files are physically created in a disk or not. Same Oracle, whenever we are installing a what, Oracle also, Oracle side, observe here, slowly observe here. Whenever I'm installing a what Oracle software, then automatically some files are created within a where in a hard disk only. These files are visible in an operating system. This is called physical structure. A structure which is visible in operating system. In operating system is called physical structure of the database. Physical structure, which persons are working? I am working? No. You are working? No. Yes, but which type of persons are working? Yes, yesterday one fellow is asking only, Murali sir, I am interested to learn a what? Oracle DBA, they are telling no. Yes, those type of persons, that is a database administrators. In a company side, database administrators are there, DBA persons. Those persons are okay, DBA persons are there, those persons, okay, sorry, now here, yes, DBA persons are there, those persons are, yes, interested to work in a where physical structure. Because this physical structure means, suppose I am installing a what Oracle software. Yes, whenever I'm installing a Oracle software, it is a collection of data files, .dba files are there, .ctl files are there, .log files are there. What is this one? You don't have an idea really. Developer doesn't know, but the data files, control files, read log files, some files are there physically. That is nothing but a physical database. Okay, that is, those files are visible in a where operating system, but those things are not visible in a where database level. Okay, na? Yeah, that's why what is physical, what is logical? Last chance, tell me correctly. In every database, two types of structures are there: MySQL side, SQL server side, Oracle side, any database also. Two types of structures. One is logical structure, another one is physical structure. Logical structure means a structure which is not visible in operating system, that is called a logical structure, but that structure is visible in a where database level. Okay, yeah. Physical structure means a structure which is visible in operating system, that is called physical structure. Whenever I'm installing, you are installing a Oracle software, automatically this is a collection of data files, .dbf files, .ctl files are there, control files, .log files are there, log files. Those files are visible in operating system, that is called physical structure. Physical structure is only handled by database administrator only. Okay, fine. But why I am telling a first time newcomer purpose, this physical and logical means a reason is there. What is the reason means? Suppose anybody attending interview also subject okay, you are learning very easy way. I will tell you, I'm experienced person, everything I'm telling. Now, but unfortunately, what is the problem is interview also important, not only subject. Suppose you are attending an interview. You are learning a course Oracle DBA, for example, observe here, slowly observe here. How much difference is there? Observe here. You are learning a what course only outside, not my course. This is our development course, our Oracle case. But you are learning a course DBA, database administrator. You are learning a course Oracle DBA, for example. You are applying a job. Whenever you are applying a what job, yes, then okay, maybe that interviewer interested to know what is database. They are asking only. Whenever okay, what is database? They are asking interviewer means you are telling a bookish knowledge. It is a structured collection of data in a some place, that is called database. You are telling me is immediately rejected. The interview is gone. Why? Because you are a database administrator means you are not required to tell a database definition in a logical level, because the logical level means developers, basic developers are telling only, but you are an administrator, that's why you are interested to tell a physical level. What is physical level means? Yes, database is nothing but a what? It is a collection of yes, here data DBF files, CTL files, .log files are nothing but database. They are telling me is, then answer is correct. Correct. Why? Because they are very good knowledge in aware data files, data log files, and control files. What happened? They have an idea. That's why it is a collection of files physically, really. Now here, that is a database only. There is a physical database. But unfortunately, yes, here those persons are telling what? Yes, here physical structure of the database. But I am a developer. You are a developer attending an interview. Whenever we are developers are attending an interview, what is database? They're asking me is yes, we don't know really these files, .tbf files, .ctl files. We don't know really. But you are a Java, you are a Python, I'm a Oracle. These developers means what is a database? They're asking me is okay, yes. Then immediately you are telling what? Logical level, logical structure side. Logical structure means a structure which is not visible in operating system, but that structure is visible in a where? Database level. That's why a structured collection of data is nothing but a database. You are telling correct. Yes, why? Because the logical structure side, logical structure is not visible in a where, not visible in operating system also. That is visible in a where database level or not? Yes. This is a what? Structured collection of data, no? This is a structured collection of data, structured, organized fashion. A table format only data is there, no? This is a logical level, logical wise we are telling only. So now here, this is a logical database, okay, not a physical. And now here logical side you are telling. That's why structured collection of data is nothing but a what? Database only. Okay, na? Yes, here. Remaining next class side I will tell you. Okay, there is a last demo class. Tomorrow I will tell you that last demo class. Then we are starting our course only. Okay, na? Yeah. Anybody having any doubts, please ask me. Anybody having any doubts? So much of thing is there subject wise. Okay, yeah. Here connections are there, communications are there, tools are there, navigation is there, so many things. Okay, yes. We are learning installation, all the things. So we are telling only, don't worry. Anybody having any doubts? Actually, what is your purpose? What is the purpose you are learning? That is firstly decided. Okay, na? Yeah. Job purpose, otherwise entertainment purpose, otherwise knowledge purpose, otherwise anybody interested to learn what some of software without any knowledge of the where C plus plus, at least their interacting purpose based on otherwise these type of different jobs purpose. Okay, na? One fellow is asking only, Murli sir, what is the difference between SQL developer means Oracle developer, okay? Oracle developer and Oracle DBA. Database administrator means they are performing a what different task. They want to, so now here, backups, they want to perform backups. So not backup, cold backup, they are using only. They are creating a what? So physical databases. They are interacting with the control file, data files, table spaces, they are creating extents, they are creating so many things are there. Okay, fine. Administrations, okay, yeah. But we are developers. Okay, our course is developer. SQL PL language means developers. Maybe those front end side, back end they are using. Otherwise, back end development side we are using a what our course only. Okay, yeah. Yesterday, anybody not attending means the demo class video, just observe it. Why? Because that is important. What I'm telling yesterday, Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. SQL Server is a product from Microsoft company. That's why those two are different, no? Yeah. But relational data model products, those are two databases, but different company products only. Conceptually same, but syntactically and functions are different. I'm telling you, yeah, that is I want. Okay. Here database design is not there. Okay, yeah, only pure development side, SQL PL and dynamic SQL courses are there. Okay, yeah, pure technical, how you are writing the queries, what is that one. SQL developer means actually you are thinking about SQL developer. Okay, SQL server is different, but Oracle SQL developer skills are this one, Oracle SQL and also PLSQL. Okay, yeah. Suppose SQL server means SQL server course you are learning. Okay, yeah. These skills are enough SQL. These are so much of things. Okay. Once you are learning means you are understandable. Okay. Tomorrow I will tell you. Tomorrow is the maybe last demo. Then we are starting our course. Okay. Yeah. Tomorrow continue. Thank you. Thank you so much for attending this small demo. Tomorrow continue. Thank you. Just idea purpose, observe it enough. Okay. Yeah.